how to use friendship pods in Grow a Garden. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can get a friendship pod in Grow a Garden. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're wondering how you can use the friendship pods in Grow a Garden, now I'll simply explain to you currently. So what is a friendship pod? Now this friendship pod gear was released in the update 1.09.0 and it is a divine gear that is obtainable from the gear shop or for 39 Robux. Now in order to use this, right, so let us explore how we can use it. Only one pod is needed for two players. When gifted to another player, the gifter and the receiver will receive a linked pod with the other's name. To use it, both players need to tend to each other's plants every 24 hours, and players cannot place multiple pods linked to the same person. A garden, by the way, can also have a maximum of 4 linked pods placed down and currently cannot be picked up but are able to be moved and destroyed. So hopefully this video helped you understand as to how you can use it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.